I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You know, for what? I'm sorry for missing you. I'm sorry for feeling upset if I don't see you. I'm sorry for being a game, just a simple game. I'm sorry for wanting to be by your side. I'm sorry for caring about you. I'm sorry for playing back as quick as possible. I'm sorry for annoying you with my messages and calls. I'm sorry for always thinking about you before going to sleep. I'm sorry for wanting to make you happy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for bothering you. I'm sorry for dreaming about you every day, every second. I'm sorry for getting mad, jealous, and sad. I'm sorry for thinking that you loved me. I'm sorry for loving you too much. I'm sorry for every single mistake you think I made. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Goodbye.